My name's Craig Cooper. I run Highland Fabrication in the Haliburton Highlands. I did grow up here, lived here for 17 years, and then moved away and decided to come home. So I went to Haliburton Highlands Secondary, and then later down the road I ended up going to Durham College for weld engineering technician. And then as of right now, I'm certified welder, certified inspector, level 1. I would tell someone that's coming here to start a business that you can start like whatever you want and basically live and play and work in the same area. We started with just a truck and a welder, and that was in 2019. So now we have a shop in CNC Plasma. I am most proud of Highland Fabrication for being certified Division 2 with the CWB, so I can do residential, industrial, and commercial structural steel. The future goals that I would like to achieve with Highland Fabrication would be a bigger shop and more CNC, so lathes and mills. So we do everything from residential structural steel to architectural metalwork to heavy equipment repair, handrail, like anything that's metal pretty well.